Hello, my name is Lauren, and I first found out about StraighterLine my freshman year of college through a friend, and I am so thankful I did because this semester I'll be graduating a whole semester early while still double majoring in business admin and environmental sustainability because I took 15 credit hours of StraighterLine courses. I highly advise anyone just to sign up for StraighterLine, whether you have a lot of gen eds to complete or maybe if you're a business major like me and have some lower level business classes. StraighterLine is so much more affordable than even like the community college in my area, and it offers so much flexibility compared to other online programs. It allows you to complete the courses in the time frame that you want. So for me, I signed up for courses during summer break, and over a span of 2 months, through 2 different summers, I was able to complete 15 credit hours because I wanted to work at a faster pace than some maybe other online programs would allow. So I'm so thankful I found StraighterLine. This semester I'll be graduating early and will have saved literally thousands of dollars in StraighterLine. So if you are a college student or even a high school student, or you know one, I highly encourage us to sign up, get some information, and apply and take some classes.